The three letters alif, ba, and ta using computerized writing as an initial form or isolated form, independent form, or what you call it, the initial form, or what is isolated form is the original form of the letter, and then initial, medial, and final. The first letter that we studied, we called alif, right? So what we said, there is no initial form of the alif. So if it is initial form, you cannot put connector because it will not be connected ever. So there is no initial form of the alif. So in the case of medial form, let us say this is the connector and that is alif. We cannot also say that is medial form because after alif cannot be connected any letter. That's computerized. It is automatically not connecting because if it should be connected, the letter will become noun, letter N. Okay? So again, there is no medial form of the alif. What we have in the alif is the final form. The final form. Okay? Like for example, when you say, what's this? When you say, that is Hamza, Fatha, A, Nun, Fatha, Na, and then that's alif in the end. Prolong, Na, Ana. What's the meaning of Ana? That means me. Ana, I am. Next, the letter Ba. That is the letter Ba. Letter Ba. Now, the initial form of Ba, you put connector to prepare to be connected to the next letter. Any of the letter from the Arabic alphabet. Any of the letter from the Arabic alphabet. Okay? First the Ya and the Ya. Any letter. That is the initial form of Ba. Then, in the middle, first you write Ba. In the middle, I mean connector before the Ba. And then the Ba here in the middle. Connector preparation to be connected to the next letter. And that is Ba in the middle. Clear? Then, the Ba in final form, connector. As if there was a consonant letter before the Ba in the end of the word. Then you write the Ba as a normal form of the letter. Okay. Okay? That is a Ba. Now, we studied alif, ba, and ta, right? Now, in the case of ta, that is the normal or original form of the letter ta, half ta. Then, similar to ba, you write the initial form of the ba to be connected to the next, to be connected to the next letter. So, the shape, the formation, similar to ba, but the difference between them, the dot. The ba has dot down or below, and the ta that has two dots on the top. And that is the initial form of the ta. When ta is in the middle, connector from previous or before letter, and then the ta is in the middle, then connector to be connected to the next letter. Alright? So, I want to apply ta, fatha, ta. So in the computer, just the fatha is going there. But that is on the top of the ta. Okay? Top of the top. Then kasra I, T. Then, because I put the connector. Okay? So we can do like this. That is ta, fatha, a, ta. Okay? Delete. Then kasra, ta, kasra I, T. Then ta, dhamma U, 2. So it was happened that the fatha before there because I place it in the place of connector. Okay? So next, the final form of the ta similar to ba, connector, and then the ta. So the same, ta, fatha, a, ta, kasra I, T, ta dhamma u, oh sorry, ta dhamma u,
Two.
tu. Okay, now I want to include the number 4 letter because number 4 letter is similar to ba and ta also. What is the number 4 letter of the Arabic alphabet?
Sa.
Th. Tha. 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 Okay. Tha that has 3 dots on the top. 3 dots on the top. Okay? So, the initial form of tha, now there is tha here, then connector, preparation to be connected to the next letter, any of the consonant letter from the Arabic alphabet. And then the medial form, also similar to ba and ta, you have the connector and put tha in the middle, connector to the next letter. Alright? And in the final form, connector and then tha in the end. Alright? Clear?
Clear.
Now, I want to continue another 2 more letters similar to them. Okay? The next letter is letter nun. A bit similar but more curved comparing to the ba, ta and tha, but the shape will be similar to each other when it comes to connecting them to the other consonant letters. Now, the nun as an initial form, that's the nun connector. Can you see any difference? The same shapes from ba, ta, and tha, but the letter is nun as letter N.
N.
Okay? Now, the same thing, as you can see, if nun we will place fatha, we will read nun fatha na.
Na.
Nun kasra i,
Ni.
ni. Nun dhamma u,
Nu.
yes. Okay, no. Great.
No.
Now, next, when nun is in the middle, connector. Write nun in the middle, then connect it to the next letter. That is nun. Okay? Then nun in a final form, connector, connected from the previous any consonant letter, and then write the letter nun. That is the shape of nun. And the last one that is also similar to the letters ba, ta, tha, and nun is the letter ya. Why ya? That is ya. Why?
The Dutch.
Because when we connect ya, the connecting form of ya, it will show you the same structures with ba, ta, tha, and nun. Huh? Samir? Am I correct or wrong? Correct? Alhamdulillah. Wrong? Very good. Okay. Ya. Now, the initial form of ya. I write ya. That's your ya, right? Okay. Then, you need to put connector from ya to the next letter to make the ya as initial form. The same shape?
Yes.
The same shape. Samir is wrong. I'm joking. Great. That is ya now. Ya in the middle. Connector. Put ya in the middle. See that? Okay, then I put connector to be connected to the next letter. The ya is transformed into that shape. So ya, it has 2 dots under, 2 dots down. Then the final form, connector. Then look at the ya. That is ya as final form of the letter. So how many letters that we studied today? We have alif,
6.
ba, ta,
Ta.
tha, nun, and
Ya.
ya. Okay.